Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in Logic Pro. So yeah, let's get straight into it. We have few methods to clear out. So yeah, let's start with the method number one. So this one, if you are recording a voice or podcast, your iPad has a built-in system white tool that removes background noise automatically. So what you're going to do is open up your Logic Pro app on your iPad, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPad screen to open the iOS Control Center. Then you see here at the top, it's orange Control Center for Logic Pro. So if you click on that, you will see now here the mic mode button, and at the right side you see automatic, standard and voice isolation. So select voice isolation, swipe back up to return to Logic. This will uh, actively scrub out background noise while you record. Okay, so now the next method is if you have already recorded the audio and want to mute the hiss, hum or fan noise during pauses. Tap the track header to select your noisy track. Then tap like so. Now tap the inspect button, which is here at the bottom, this middle one, like so. Scroll and you will see here audio FX section, and tap an empty slot here, the plus icon, and then find dynamics on this menu, and then select noise gate. You see at the bottom here, like so. Tap the noise gate plug-in box to open its interface, like so. Play your audio, slowly drag the threshold slider to the right until the background noise vanish whenever the performer stop talking. So threshold is right over here, and so you need to listen and then move a little bit and adjust. And yeah, now the next method, so the last one, it will be if the noise is really loud between phrases, you can manually cut it out using your fingers or an Apple Pencil. So what you're going to do, double tap your audio region in the timeline, like so, or you can just press here at the bottom to this pencil, like so. And what we are going to do now is we can cut this thing out. So if you press right here at the top, you will see now these scissors right here, and now we can cut out the sections. So we need to edit this like so, edit, show in editor, and now we have it right over here, and we can adjust this like so. As you can see here, now we can cut out the part of the track that we don't want. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the